Hey there, now let's talk about for day 33's assignment, the performance review meeting grade scenario worksheet. So once again, you are inside our assignment for today, and there are two attachments for you. They're actually going to show up in this corner because you're going to be generated your own copy of the worksheet. So go ahead and open and click on with me your performance review grade scenario worksheet. Okay, so let's have a look-see right now. So you're going to notice that I'm going to drag me over a smidge. All right, that there's tabs on the bottom. So let me click. You can see my example, which if we were in class together, I would be doing this and putting in numbers for you here. And then there's a sheet for next semester. It's not relevant for right now to help you calculate full year grades. So you are going to use this first tab and enter numbers in the green boxes. So I'm going to go to my page so I can mess it up. So if you notice, it says do not write in any of the blue cells. That's because those should be locked and they have formulas and calculations in there. So you're going to enter your information in the green cells and it's going to auto generate for you. So you're going to go to Skyward right now. Just go ahead and open a new tab and open Skyward, and you're going to look for your Q1 average. So right here it says Q1/Q3 average because it could be first semester you're watching this or second semester. So Q1 average, let's say you got a 78. Making sure that it has the percentage sign, you just hit enter. Can you change that grade? No. Q1 is over, locked, closed. We are currently in Q2. So you're going to go over to Q2 and you're going to enter your current grade that you have. Now this could change daily. Let's say you take a 0 for the next 2 or 3 days, your grade could plummet and drop. But let's say you're doing pretty decent and you have an 86% right now. You enter that grade in. So if you notice, it popped up a duplicate percentage on top in the blue row because remember I told you that's making calculations for you. So right now it ran all the numbers, boop, 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 because your 9 weeks test is going to be 100%. Everyone's going to do it. It's a course survey. And then it's going to calculate for you your grade. Now, if you look in the dark blue box, you can see you currently have an 83.4%, or this fictitious fake grade student has an 83.4. Are they exempt? No, they need an 85. But could they get exempt pending all other exemption criteria? Let's see. We can't change Q1, which was pretty low with the 78. So we have to work on the Q2 or 4. Remember, this could be second semester. And we can change that grade. So let's say instead of an 86, we bring it up to an 88. Watching that dark blue number change, it jumped up to an 84.2, still not exempt. So let's say you hustle and you get to a 90%. Boom. It gets your exempt average, your pre-semester exam average up to an 85%, and you're exempt. Awesome. But let's say you had ISS or you were suspended for fighting or something. Now you have to take the final exam no matter what. You are not exempt. So that's where we go to the next two boxes, and you'll see there's a green box that says final exam. Now let's say on your final exam you do pretty good and you get a 90. Then all the other box numbers change. Your final exam grade's a 90, and then you end this class with an 86%. If you are exempt, this doesn't matter. And yeah, it shows you at a 68%, but are you going to get a 68%? No, it's thinking that it's running the formula. You're actually ending with an 85% because your final course grade will be without an exam calculated in. So once again, you are only entering information in the green boxes. Those are the important boxes for you, and you'll be doing that on your ProCom numbers. Now let's say you're like, this is awesome. I need to know if I can be exempt in other classes. Well, feel free to go ahead and click on this little thing and duplicate it and make yourself a copy for all of the other classes you want to run numbers for. Hope this helps. Hope that you use it to figure out where you stand and get exempt in those classes that you might be borderline. If you have any questions, you can ask me when we get back from Thanksgiving break. Hope you have an awesome week off.